Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today we're in Cherwell version 8, and we're going to take a look at one of the new design updates we have here on the task pane under the quick search menu called Open Advanced Editor. So this is one of the new design updates in V8. You'll notice that this is actually similar to the searching quick search builder. The Open Advanced Editor is actually going to be associated with the object we have selected up here, the business object up in the search drop down. So if I go ahead and click on Incident and then Open Advanced Editor, this will actually be associated with the incident object now. If you don't actually see this on your screen here, and maybe your screen looks like this, you'll see the task pane here on the left is actually only visible when you hover over it, or if you check the pin, it'll always stay up. So go ahead and click on the Open Advanced Editor, and you'll see we have a bunch of options here on the top. I'm going to go ahead and talk through some of these. So just deleting the current comparison clause, or if we have something in here we want to say maybe the incident service is going to be account management, and we say, you know, I might want to do account management or a second service is what I'm searching for. I can just go ahead and click on the copy, and then you'll see that it copied the previous one that was selected. So if I change this to account management and select conferencing presentation, and then if I want to have it be either or, I just click up here on the head and say at least one item in the group must be true. And now if I click OK, it'll show me tickets or incidents or service requests that have either the service is account management or the service is conferencing and presentation. Now we have a few other really nice options here. We can change how we sort the results. So if we're sorting based off the incident ID or possibly the last modified date time, we only want to grab records that were recently updated. We have that option as whether we could do ascending or descending order. And a really nice one we have now is the multi-column sort. So I can sort ascending by last modified date time and then descending by the service. So if I go ahead and grab the service, move that over, and you notice that it's still ascending. So to actually move that arrow down, we want to double click on it here. So now we'll say we're displaying the last modified date time and ascending, with the second field we're sorting on is going to be the service that's descending. And you'll see that it says sort results now by multiple, whereas before we just had incident ID. You can also decide to decheck open incidents only if you want to take a look at closed incidents, but we're going to go ahead and just click OK here. You'll see only a few of them came through. I'm going to add the service to the grid because that was one of the items we were searching on. And so now we'll see the two services. We have conferencing, presentation, and account management. So any tickets that matched that search is actually going to show up here in our grid now. If I go ahead and click on the Open Advanced Editor again, you notice that it doesn't bring up the same search parameters that I had. If I want to see what I was searching for and make any changes, I now want to go up to the searching menu and then click on the Edit Current Search. And now this is going to bring me back to where I was before. So if there were additional changes I wanted to make, you'll see that since I didn't check since I did not decheck the open incidents only, it automatically added this clause in here for me. So if I did not want to include that, I would just delete it, click OK, and now you'll see all the closed incidents also appear here on the screen. So that's a quick overview of the advanced editor. As you can tell, it's very similar to the quick search builder on the searching menu if you're already familiar with that one, but it's nice to have that up here on the screen here for building quick searches on the fly. And that concludes our video today. Thanks for watching. This was Robert from Beyond 20. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other Cherwell tips and tricks. Thank you.